Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. I believe all of you have an idea about what computer graphics is. In the previous lesson, we have learned that there are two main components that compose the computer graphics system. There are the hardware component and the software component. So in this topic 2, we will focus on the software component and the primitive of the graphics programming. But again, before we begin, I would like to present you a short animated video about the synopsis of topic 2. Let's go!
Welcome back! I hope you grabbed some basic idea about this topic 2. Basically, this topic 2 will be divided into 4 different parts. The first part, we will look at the OpenGL pipeline, followed by the introduction to OpenGL using traditional approach and modern approach in part 2 and part 3 respectively. Last but not least, we will discuss the different types of drawing that is available in OpenGL. Let us begin with the topic 2 part 1, which is the OpenGL pipeline. Let's begin with the definition of OpenGL and OpenGL-ES and the reason behind why we are using OpenGL. And then in the lecture, I will discuss with you the steps that required to perform the rendering process for the fixed function OpenGL pipeline and the programmable function OpenGL pipeline. General programming packages provides a library of graphics functions that can be used in a programming language such as C, C++, or even Java language. These libraries include OpenGL and OpenGL-ES. Let's talk about OpenGL. What is OpenGL? It is the most widely adopted 2D and 3D graphics API in the industry, bringing thousands of applications to a wide variety of computer platforms. It is also used to transform all 3D coordinates to 2D pixels that fit on your screen. So, why do we use OpenGL? Well, it is a Windows system and operating system independent, as well as it is a network transparent. It enables developers of software for PC, workstation, and even supercomputing hardware to create high-performance, visually compelling graphics software applications in markets such as CAD, content creation, energy, entertainment, game development, manufacturing, medical, and virtual reality. Apart from that, it exposes all the features of the latest graphics hardware. So in conclusion, it is an application programming interface, or in other words API, a low-level graphics rendering API, cross-platform, hardware accelerated, language independent, and it is also a layer between the programmer and the graphics hardware. On the other hand, OpenGL-ES, it is a royalty-free cross-platform API for rendering advanced 2D and 3D graphics on embedded and mobile systems, including consoles, phones, appliances, and vehicles. It provides a very flexible and powerful interface between the software and the graphics acceleration hardware. It consists of a well-defined subset of desktop OpenGL that is suitable for low-power devices, as illustrated in this diagram. As you can see, OpenGL-ES is a subset of OpenGL. In the coming lecture, I will discuss further with you about the sequence of steps that OpenGL takes when rendering some objects. This overview will provide a high-level descriptions of steps in the pipeline. There will be 2 different pipelines. The first one is the fixed function OpenGL pipeline. The second one will be the programmable OpenGL pipeline.
So, if you think this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye and be safe all the time.